Hi guys, now today, welcome to another episode, but I'm going with Pocket Code, and I'm just actually not finished this game, but it's only in progress, so be patient, so you can see the full game of it just beta, so I never released it before, so let's play. Yeah, the the fan of soundtrack. The soundtracks are by Scott Cotton, and I forgot the website name. So thanks. And we have characters. We got me, and Roboto Zero, Robot Zero. Just only in beta, so you need to be patient. And where did all it's quite confusing when it's still not finished, so bye bye.